In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your profile link on Patreon. If you want to share your Patreon page with followers, collaborators, or anyone else, copying your profile link is the quickest way to do it. This is useful when you want to paste your page into a message, add it to your social media bio, or send it directly to someone. The good news is that Patreon makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. To get started, go to Patreon and make sure you're on your creator profile or page. Once the page loads, look around the top area of your profile until you find the Edit Page option. This is the section where you manage how your Patreon page appears to visitors, and right beside it, you should see a three-dot menu. That three-dot icon usually opens more actions related to your page, so that's where we'll go next. Click the three dots beside Edit Page. A small menu will appear with additional options for your profile. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you're on the correct Patreon page and that the menu has fully opened. These overflow menus are common on websites and often contain sharing and management tools that aren't shown directly on the main screen. From that menu, click on Share. This opens the sharing options for your Patreon profile link. Patreon uses this menu to make it easy to send your page elsewhere without needing to manually highlight and copy the web address from your browser. It's a cleaner and more reliable method, especially if you want the exact public-facing link to your profile. Next, click on Copy Link. As soon as you do that, Patreon will copy your profile URL to your clipboard. That means the link is now ready to paste wherever you need it. You can paste it into an email, a direct message, a post, a document, or anywhere else by using your regular paste command. If you want to confirm it worked, try pasting the link into a note or text box first. That way, you can quickly check that the copied address is the right one before sending it out. This is especially helpful if you manage more than one page or account. And that's it. Once you click Copy Link, your Patreon profile link is ready to share. It only takes a few seconds, and now you know exactly where to find it whenever you need it.